The Tesla CyberQuad is an all-electric, four-wheel ride-on toy made for children. It is inspired by the futuristic design of Tesla's Cybertruck and features a smaller version of its sharp, angular shape. The CyberQuad is designed for kids aged 8 to 12 years, with a maximum weight limit of 110 pounds, 50 kilograms. Kids Hilux 4x4 is a fun ride-on toy designed to look and feel like a real Toyota Hilux. Made by little riders, this mini electric car can be driven by kids or controlled with a remote. It features a working four-wheel drive system, 24-volt battery, and two powerful motors for off-road adventures. Safety features and multimedia entertainment make it enjoyable and secure. The rugged design fuels a child's adventurous spirit, offering a realistic driving experience in the backyard. Perfect for little explorers, this licensed Toyota Hilux ride-on brings the thrill of off-road journeys to your home. If you want, I can also make an even punchier version under 70 words for marketing or social media. The Power Wheels Boomerang is a fun ride-on toy made for young kids who love exciting adventures. It is designed for children aged 5 to 10 years and supports a maximum weight of 100 pounds. The toy includes an adjustable seat, high side panels, and power lock brakes to keep kids safe and comfortable while riding. One of its standout features is the ability to perform controlled drifts, making playtime more exciting. It has large wheels that work well on different surfaces, so kids can enjoy both on-road and off-road rides. With a top speed of 5 miles per hour, it offers a thrilling yet safe driving experience. Sea Bubbles was founded in 2016 by Alain Thabo and Anders Bringdahl. The company designs and builds electric boats called hydrofoils. These boats create zero emissions, zero noise, and zero waves. They rise above the water on hydrofoils, which reduces drag and makes travel smooth and fast. Sea Bubbles offers different models, such as the Bubble for leisure and city travel, and the Smart Bubble for water taxis. The Bubble can reach 12 knots. Some boats use solar panels and turbines to recharge batteries and reduce environmental impact. The Hiriko is a compact, all-electric two-seater microcar designed for short urban trips, especially for car-sharing services. It runs on a lithium-ion battery, offering a range of 120 kilometers on a single charge. Each of its four wheels contains a built-in motor, allowing it to reach a controlled top speed of 50 kilometers per hour. Weighing under 500 kilograms, the Hiriko has an extended length of 2.5 meters. However, its unique hinged body allows it to fold up to just 1.5 meters for easy parking. Although not widely available yet, the Hiriko is a groundbreaking step toward the future of urban transportation. It blends sustainability, innovation, and practicality, offering a vision of how small, foldable electric vehicles could revolutionize city living. The Duo and Bento, created by Renault Group's Mobilized brand, are innovative electric quadricycles designed to address urban mobility challenges. The Duo is a sleek two-seater, capable of reaching speeds up to 50 miles per hour and a range of 100 miles on a single charge. It offers a compact design with air conditioning, heated seats, and easy access doors. The Bento, designed for utility, comes with a large 649-EL cargo box, ideal for city deliveries. Both vehicles focus on sustainability, being made from over 40% recycled materials and at least 95% recyclable when they reach the end of their life. Featuring central driving positions and digital key sharing, the Duo and Bento offer eco-friendly and practical solutions for modern urban transportation, blending convenience with environmental care. Hankook Tire has created several exciting 3D animations that show its new tire technology and ideas for future transportation. One popular animation is the Hankook Design Innovation 2016 video. It shows the winners of the 2016 Design Awards and gives a look at future connected mobility. The animation explains how Hankook's advanced tires could make travel smarter and more efficient. Another video features the Wheelbot, a round, futuristic wheel that moves in all directions. These animations help people understand Hankook's focus on innovation and the future of sustainable, intelligent transportation. The Artemis 17 S1 from Bolt Custom Trucks brings a new level of luxury to travel. Built on durable platforms like the Volvo VNR, Freightliner Cascadia, and Western Star 49X, it runs on a powerful 600 horsepower Detroit DD16 engine, ensuring strong and reliable performance. At around 12 meters long, it's designed to offer top-notch comfort and convenience on the road. The interior is packed with features to make your journey enjoyable. It includes an induction stove for easy cooking, a comfortable dining area, and thick 10-centimeter foam insulation that keeps the space quiet and cozy. A 10-kilowatt diesel generator provides a reliable power source wherever you go, and flexible layout options let you customize the vehicle to suit your needs. When it's time to relax, you can watch your favorite shows on a 43-inch smart LED TV. Whether parked at a campsite or cruising to your next destination, the Artemis 17 S1 is built to make your trip as comfortable as possible. Combining luxury, practicality, and adaptability, this vehicle sets a new benchmark for high-end travel, ensuring a smooth and enjoyable experience wherever the road takes you. Ammonia GenCell. Ammonia is emerging as a leading clean energy solution, with companies like GenCell pioneering fuel cell technology that uses ammonia as a zero-carbon fuel source. Unlike traditional fuels, ammonia only produces nitrogen and water when converted into energy, making it eco-friendly. It also has a high energy density and is easier to store and transport compared to hydrogen gas. By utilizing the existing agricultural infrastructure, ammonia could soon power off-grid facilities and large-scale transportation, offering a practical, sustainable alternative. This transition could significantly reduce global carbon emissions. As advancements continue, ammonia is poised to play a transformative role in the global shift to greener energy. The Adria Sonic Supreme is a high-end motorhome designed for a luxurious travel experience. It combines a sleek design with a modern interior, featuring elegant furniture and premium fabrics for comfort. Built for year-round use, it offers adjustable lighting with LED spotlights and ambient lights. The motorhome has plenty of storage space, including large cupboards and wardrobes, with clever solutions to keep everything organized. The user-friendly digital control panel makes managing the motorhome systems easy. It also includes multimedia features like a TV point, USB charging ports, and a sound system with hidden speakers. The popular Adria Sonic Supreme 700 DC model boasts a rear bedroom with a fixed island bed, a central washroom with a separate shower, and a spacious lounge area with an electric drop-down bed for extra comfort and flexibility. Andina revealed the electric transformer house at CES 2024, a modern mobile home that combines luxury, smart technology, and eco-friendly design. It's built for future lifestyles, offering a sustainable way to travel and live. The home has expandable sections that can be customized to suit different needs and preferences. One of its key features is movable walls that extend the living space to 400 square feet with just a button. It also has a solar panel roof that produces over 25 kilowatt hours of electricity, supporting clean energy. An innovative water system collects moisture from the air to create up to 50 liters of clean water daily. The house includes foldable and modular furniture, making it simple to drive and park while still providing plenty of space. It can serve as a tiny home, a guest house, or even a mobile office, offering both comfort and practicality. With its cutting-edge design, the electric transformer house showcases the future of sustainable and flexible living. One morning, Les had a close call when a pickup truck without a tailgate, filled with paint cans, appeared in front of him. It seemed like something from a Final Destination movie. As the truck hit a bump, one of the cans tipped over, becoming a 19-liter projectile flying straight toward Les. The only reason it didn't hit him was that he quickly swerved his vehicle to avoid both the can and a potential collision with other cars. This frightening experience left a lasting impact on Les and inspired him to co-found Bedlock Cargo Solutions. Bedlock Cargo Solutions was created to provide a safer, more secure way to transport cargo in pickup trucks. The system consists of special plates that cover the truck bed, with spaces of 30.5 or 45.7 centimeters, designed to keep cargo secure. This innovative design prevents items from shifting or falling out during transport, reducing the risk of accidents. Bedlock Cargo Solutions offers a reliable and practical solution for anyone looking to haul cargo safely. With a starting price of $500, this system provides peace of mind for drivers transporting goods in their pickup trucks. 2001 Freightliner Classic has been fully customized by one of Florida's top teams. The interior now boasts black and red accents, giving it a sleek, modern look, while leather-trimmed seats add a touch of luxury. But the upgrades go beyond just the interior. The custom team is also working on enhancing the truck's complex wiring system, which in modern vehicles can extend for miles. On top of that, the Freightliner Classic will feature several custom-made, handmade elements, ensuring that it stands out even more. These improvements will not only make the truck look incredible, but also enhance its overall performance, turning it into a unique, high-performance vehicle. With attention to detail and a focus on both style and function, this custom Freightliner Classic is sure to turn heads and impress wherever it goes. Brabus Big Boy 1200. Brabus Tuning Studio has introduced its largest and heaviest motorhome ever, called the Big Boy 1200. This massive vehicle measures 12 meters long and weighs 26 tons. Its name honors the American steam locomotives of the 1940s, which were the biggest mass-produced trains, stretching over 40.5 meters. Although smaller than its locomotive inspiration, the Big Boy 1200 is still remarkable. It offers 30 square meters of living space and features a 47-inch TV, bigger than the one in their previous model, making it perfect for gaming with the included PlayStation 5. Other amenities include a 6.4 kilowatt diesel generator, a beer fridge, and a Starlink antenna for internet. The motorhome is built on the Mercedes-Benz Actros truck platform and powered by a 6-cylinder turbo diesel engine, producing 530 horsepower. Despite its strength, its top speed is limited to 90 kilometers per hour, but who needs speed when driving such a luxurious and comfortable vehicle? This transport vehicle is a lightweight semi-trailer that weighs only 5.3 tons empty, yet it can carry a total weight of 36.5 tons, including over 31 tons of cargo. It has a strong, reinforced frame that provides excellent strength and stability, even on rough forest roads. The solid front bulkhead meets safety standards to securely hold long logs during transport. Its modular design allows easy installation of cranes, floors, and self-steering axles. After being tested for more than 200,000 kilometers across Europe, it delivers better off-road performance, saves 15% in weight, and improves efficiency in demanding forestry work.